Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, God of light, God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the all-attractive, the all-enjoying. Now, before I get into the comment on the comment of text 3 of chapter 7, insanity is inasmuch as we don't care for God. Nature does not respect opinions. God is alone, but ever present. It is better to practice tantric forming of identity with God in experience than to do yoga with idols, our creations worshipped as God. The relics and ways of other cultures can be appropriated into the service of God. Take care of the body, but develop the spirit more. A day of Brahma I haven't got to a day of Brahma, but Kali Yuga is said to be 432,000 years. The Satya Yuga is said to be 1,728,000 years. Or is that a 1? I guess that's 7. The Treta Yuga is said to be 1,296,000 years. The Dvarpa Yuga is said to be 864,000 years. A Kalpa, or Brahma Day, is 1,000 times this. And so does a night. A Brahma lifetime is said to be 311,040,000,000,000 years. The Kalpa and Mimamsa Sutras are those to learn sacrifice from. This life is spiritual as a temple, if that is how we choose to use our life. Don't hasten to judge who is fallen. Spiritual masters are to uplift their community and discover the problems. Illusion builds on dishonesty. It is not about many books, but a book representative of the various spiritual books, without speculation. God is causeless. Minister to even the dying. Don't overcomplicate matters. All who have reached the age of accountability are criminal to some extent. Convince students in different ways. Don't think that real religion starts with any particular incarnation of language. The sages may have their own spiritual sphere. There are differing degrees of piety, and it may be better that the impious are charity, but it would be better that they are pious than to have spent money from unlawful earnings. Incarnations. Incarnation is a product of karma. Cause, effect, action, what is being done. Basically, the exacting force. We are to realize ourselves as the means. We don't have to pursue happiness nor displeasure. The cyclic succession is not as important as devotion, but both can be restarted. And that's the point of getting spiritual teachings down in formats like books, is that the process, the chain, can be restarted. Dreams are their own nature. Life is for focus on generation of light and energy in literal and metaphorical means. We are made to have certain material circumstances regardless of whether or not we accept them. Reality and revelation are not so subjective to change upon interpretation. Just because we don't believe something doesn't mean it's not the case. Just because we don't want something doesn't mean that's, oh, I don't want to take this scripture literally. Oh, I don't like this figurative meaning. Well, it remains what it is. God manifests forms. We can handle serving. We shouldn't blame non-human animals for acting out their desires. But, as humans, we start to have choices, right? And sometimes what we want isn't the best for us. Well, sometimes what animals want isn't the best for them either, but we should realize we are inferior in our ways as compared to the ultimate controller. And ultimately, what we should be upon is the pleasure of God. And the third text. So we have some verses, the cause of causes. Isvara Parama Krishna Satchid Ananda Vigraha Anadir Adir Govinda Sarva Karanam. So it's difficult without devotion to more than say, oh, well, I believe there's some sort of God or something. Bhakti Rasamrita 1 to 101. Sruti Smrti Puranade Pancharatra Vidim Vinna Aikandiki Harer Bhaktir Upatayaiva Kalpate. And that's why I chose this, because it's not just about mindless devotion and you go, oh, I'm going to do anything. You can do everything as part of your spiritual service. But it really is mischievous to say, oh, as long as I love God, I can do whatever. So you do want to have some attachment to the revealed, or at least what you consider to be the revealed ways. The Bhakti Rasamrita Sandhu 1 to 234 says, Ata Sri Krishna Namadena Bhaved Grahyam Indriyat Sevan Mukhi Jivadau Svayam Eva Spurate Ada. And There will always be things that we can't understand by mere material senses, but they can be revealed. And we can be well-pleasing to God. That's why we say God is the enjoyer. And our service can certainly reach upon the transcendental platform. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.